Good day everyone. My name is Ronel Minar. So I'm with
Hi everyone, I'm John Carl Bourbon.
Sige, sir, sabihin mo. What inspired you to be open and confident about your identity?
What inspired me is the love of my parents. Because actually, since bata pa ko, i-accept na ko sa akong parents. Every time na mag-request ko Barbie, ipalitan ko Barbie, mga luto-luto. So, that was, mo na yung nag-inspire na ko.
Yes, sir. So, question number 2, sir. How was being part of the LGBTQ community shape your goals and beliefs?
As part of the LGBT community, it wasn't easy yun actually. Dili jud malikayan na naay discrimination, naay bullies, naay belittling nga nahitabo. So, muna yung nakapa-inspire na ko to do good, to be productive, to be professional, and to be successful. So, as you can see, tuwad ana nga mga challenges nga nakapa-inspire na ko karon kay I am now a professional licensed teacher and I am now the head of the Municipal Tourism Office here in San Remigio.
Question number 3, sir, is what difficulties did you face on your path to success and how did you handle them?
Come again?
What obstacles did you face on your path to success and how did you handle it?
Obstacles? Obstacles siguro. Obstacles, okay. Alright. Okay. What obstacles? Wala to, gimension ako ganiha, katong mga discrimination, challenges, mga belittling, muna yung mga obstacles dyan. So, kana nga mga obstacles, gihimo na akong strength, gihimo na akong motivations para mahimo ko kinsa ko pa.
Question number 4, sir, is in what way do you help promote understanding and acceptance in society?
Actually ako, advocate jud ko og LGBT welfare, LGBT rights, advocate jud ka na. Where in fact, I am affiliated with a lot of national non-government organizations na advocate po ng LGBT rights. Like first, Bisdak Pride Incorporated. So si Bisdak Pride, every time na yung mga disaster, naani, matabang sa mga LGBT na apektuhan sa disaster. Second, Mujer LGBT from Zamboanga. Ang ilang focus kay gender and development, i-appeal ang LGBT sa lens sa gender and development. I am also affiliated with Center for Disaster Preparedness. Ang ilang programa kay Innovation Academy. So, wala siya. Daghan kong mga affiliation because I advocate for the LGBT rights.
Last question, sir, is what changes would you like to see in the future the LGBTQ community?
Though na ko'y nakit-an karon nga mga schools, especially sa mga senior high school or high schools, nga gina-accept na ang mga transgender on how they dress up, on how they look, na may mga long hair. So, it is still a challenge for the universities na i-accept ang mga college students sa ilahang gusto nga look. So, hopefully, maabot ang panahon na dili na strict si college, no? Universities when it comes sa mga look sa mga LGBT members. So, muna ang akong gina-hope na hopefully in the coming years, madawat na natin.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Perfect.